Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Weber Grills app is and how it's positioned. According to the official App Store and Google Play descriptions, the Weber Grills app is a mobile platform designed to provide grilling recipes, cooking guidance, and tools for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The official listing explains that the app includes a recipe library with hundreds of grilling recipes created by Weber chefs and cooking experts. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official documentation from Weber, the app belongs to the outdoor cooking and recipe guidance category and focuses on helping users learn grilling techniques and meal preparation ideas. The official description states that users can browse recipes by ingredient, cooking method, or grill type directly inside the app. Another documented feature is step-by-step cooking instructions designed to guide users through preparing and grilling different meals. According to the official information, the platform also provides grilling tips and instructional content that explains techniques such as temperature control and food preparation. The app may also include shopping lists generated from recipes so users can plan ingredients before cooking. Another documented capability is the ability to save favorite recipes for quick access later. Official descriptions also mention timers that can help users track cooking steps while preparing meals on the grill. For users interested in discovering grilling recipes and learning outdoor cooking techniques through a mobile platform, this could be an option. This app may be useful for people who want structured grilling guidance and recipe ideas when cooking outdoors. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.